Hi everyone. In the previous lecture, we have seen how we can use data types in our code. In this lecture, we will see what are the different types of operators in Python. In Python, we may have arithmetic operator, comparison operator, assignment operator, logical operator, membership operator, and identity operator. Here, what is called operator? An operator is a symbol which is responsible for particular operations between two operands. Here, what is operator and what is operand? Let's see in an example. Suppose we have declared a equal to 10, b equal to 15. Now we will have to perform sum of a plus b. A plus b. Here, a and b are called operands, and plus is called operator. So these are the variables which are called operands, and the plus symbol is called operator. So whenever we need to perform some operation, it requires two operators and one operand. Sorry, two operands and one operator. Arithmetic operators. Like in arithmetic operators, we can see addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, remainder, exponent, and float division. Like in addition, we have seen earlier in the earlier example. Similarly, subtraction we can do, multiplication we can do. What is the difference between division and remainder? Suppose we have an example like we are dividing like this: 5, 15, 5 3 is 15, and the remainder is 0. So the remainder which we get, for this we will get 0 as a result, and for this we will get 3 as a result. This is the difference between division and remainder. This operator, modulo operator, and the division operator. Exponent operator, what this mean? It will perform a square. Like suppose if you want to get the 2 square, it will give 4. Suppose if you want to get 3 square, it will give 9. 3 into 3, 9, like this. And float division, what does it mean? Usually, like whenever you do division, like 5 divided by 19, so 5 3 is 15, and we will get 4, and we will get point and put 0, and 5 is 40. So for this we supposed to get 3.8 as an output, but since it is a float division, we will not get 3 as an output. We will get its nearer value, which is 3. We will get 3 as an output. Like we will get only integers, not decimal numbers as an output whenever we do a float division. Remember this point. Comparison operators. What do you mean by comparison operators? Like there are two operands, we want to compare whether they are equal or not equal, or the number is greater than, let's see an example. We have a equal to 5, b equal to 6. Suppose we want to check whether a equal to b or not, a double equal to b or not. Since it is an a not equal, a double equal to b, we will do 5 double equal to 6, which is not equal. We will get false as an output. Similarly, we can do a not equal to b. Here, what is the output? Since a not equal to b, the output is true. Next, a greater than or equal to b. 5 greater than or equal to b, greater than or equal to 6, which is also a false condition. A less than or equal to b, true. 5 less than or equal to 6, which is true. A greater than b, 5 greater than 6, which is again a false condition. A less than b, which is a true condition. Whenever we perform comparison, the result we will always get is a true or false statement. Assignment operator. Why do we need assignment operators? Because when we want to store some value to a variable, at that time we need these assignment operators. Example, like a equal to 5. Here, equal to is an assignment operator. And with the help of assignment operator, we are storing value 5 to variable a. Similarly, so let's go here. A equal to 5 we have stored. And we want to add some 5 to it. Earlier what we did is with the help of addition, we did addition between two different variables like a equal to 5, b equal to 6 and a plus b. We are stored. So what the result we will get? 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. But it will be more easier, like earlier a equal to 5. You can do 6. Here the value stored in the a will be 11. How it will process is a equal to a plus 6. This is how it will process internally. Here 5 will be there and 6. 5 plus 6, 11. So again a will have 11 and the 5 is updated with 11. Similarly, we can do a minus equal to 1. You can imagine the output 5 minus 1, which is 4. A into equal to 2. So 5 into 2, 10. Similarly, 2. We will get around 2.5. A modulo 2. As I said, it will give only integers as an output. So we will get only 2 as an output. 5 power 2. We will get 25 as an output. So for this, we want to store the values in the same variable. At that time, we will use assignment operators, or when we want to store value to some other variable, at that time also we can use assignment operators. Logical operators in Python. Why do we need logical operators in Python? Suppose we want to evaluate multiple conditions at once. At that time, we will use logical operators. We have 3 types of logical operators: AND, OR, NOT. It works same as we will have truth table, right? Suppose for AND, we will have truth table. If true, true, then only it's true. If both the conditions true, then it will be true. True, false. If one condition is false, it will be false. If both the conditions are false, always it's false. Whenever we want to evaluate multiple conditions, at that time we will use logical operators. Example, if a greater than not 5 greater than 10 and 6 less than 10. Here 5 greater than 10, which is a false condition. 6 less than 10, which is a true condition. And based upon the truth table for AND, if 1 is false, the expression is whole expression is evaluated to false. Both must be true in order to enter into if condition. If one expression is evaluated to false, whole expression will lead to false and it will not enter with the if loop. It will move to the else block for execution. It will move to only if block only when both the statements are true. 3 greater than 3 less than 10 and 6 less than 10. Here both the conditions are true. And at this time the if block code is executed. Similarly, as you know, truth table for OR is like any one expression is evaluated to true, or any one expression contains true, the whole expression will be true as per the truth table. Let's see with an example. If 3 less than 10 or 5 greater than 10. Here it is false, 5 greater than 10, which is a false statement. Here 3 less than 10, which is true. Since 1 is evaluated to true based upon the or truth table, it will go to the if statement block within this code. Whatever we read, those that will be executed. And not. Here what not will do is whatever the expression is evaluated, it will make inverse of that expression, or if it is true it will make it to false, if it is false it will make it to true. Example, if here I have given 10 less than 5, which is a false condition. 10 is not less than 5, so here we will get false, not false. Like, since it is false it will make it to true. It will simply make the expression, if it is false it will make it to true, if it is true it will make it to false. This is the function of not operator. Membership operator. Like in membership operator we have two, in and not in operators. In, it is evaluated to be true if the first operand is found in the second operand. We use this in operator mainly to iterate through a list of values, or in order to see like if a particular value is present in the some other list or not. Example, we have a equal to 10 and we want to see if this 10 is present in this list. Here what we can do is, if a in b, what it will do is a, it will check for if a is in b or not, 10 is in this values or not. If 10 is in this value, it will be evaluated as true. Since 10 is there, the output will be true and it will enter into the if block and execute the code within the if block. If 10 not there here, it will return false and it will go to the else block and execute the code within the else block. Similarly, not in, like suppose, let us examples take same example. If a not in b, 10, 1 2 3 10 20, we already have 10 here, but so it's supposed to be true. Since we have used not in, 10 should not present in this list, so it will be should not present, but there is a 10. What it will do is it will evaluate to false. Like if it exists it will return false, if it not exists it will return true. That is the logic of this not in operator. Identity operators, is not. Like these are mainly used to check whether both the variables are referring to same object or not. Suppose we have given a equal to 10, b equal to a is b. It will give true because here a is pointing to value 10 and b is referring to a. Since these are both pointing to the same some index value in the or memory location, both A and B are pointing to same memory location where this 10 value is stored. Suppose 10 is stored at some memory location 200. Since A and B are pointing to same memory location, this is referred to as true. And here not in, like as we seen earlier also, it will do inverse. Like if it is true, it will make it false. If it is false, it will make it true. That's it for this tutorial. Let's meet in another tutorial. Thank you.